how I see you and how I view.
I don't know. I'm gonna do my hair. I don't know. And then tomorrow I'm gonna. Oh my gosh! That squirt myself in the face. I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. We young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Now that I'm out the shower, I'm gonna I deep conditioned, detangled with the deep conditioner, rinsed it out and all that. So we just have 4 big twists in my hair, and I don't like setting my style for the week on completely wet hair. So I'm gonna put it in my microfiber towel and just kind of get the excess water and just kind of leave it in the towel for a while. I just want it to be more dry than it is now. And I'm about to like make dinner and like do some things around the house, work on my laptop, then come back and start the actual process of doing my hair for the week. I do want to try a new product combo, so we were to try a new product combo and see how that lasts throughout the week. So I'm interested to see how that's gonna go. But yeah, that's pretty much what we're doing right
Tell me how the type of seen her. It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen her hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girl I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, excuse me, miss. Oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention.
Okay, so we're on to day 2 of twisting, and I realized when I was looking back and editing this that I didn't even tell you guys the products I used to twist my hair up. And that's pretty important because I was trying something new. I was using that leave-in, which I never really use as a leave-in for my like twist for the week. I was using the Shea Moisture leave-in, and then I was using this Camille Rose Spiked Honey mousse. Also new for me, I don't usually set my hair with mousse. I'm a gel girl from day one of being natural, but I'm really trying lighter products to see how they hold up throughout a week in my hair and my lifestyle and everything. So that's what I'm using here, just some edge control on the edges and then going in with the mousse, just reapplying that as necessary, as you can see, to the ends. But yeah, we'll hear my final thoughts on if I like this mousse if I like this mousse for my weekly twist or not. And yeah, but look at the shine. Like the shine was I liked it.
Ain't nothing wrong with dancing, baby, it's so romantic. Baby, I can be in your heart. So many things I wanna tell you. I think that I should start by saying,
Whoa. Good morning, beautiful people. Let's have a little chit chat. I was literally sitting here doing some work and I was like, oh my gosh, I have not updated you guys with my hair of the week, and it's Thursday. I know. I have not done anything with my hair, which was kind of the point of me putting it in a style like this. I have worn it in one hairstyle this entire time. It has literally been my front pieces, and then the rest is like in this low pony or bun or whatever, and boom. This has been it. Sometimes I struggle with my hair making me look kind of childish, and I feel like natural hair can come off childish sometimes, but also at the same time, like, That's fine. Let me look young. Like, we're not gonna argue. We ain't gonna argue with that. If I'm just chilling around the house, I just grab all my twists and I put them on top of my head. Cause something about a high bun just does it for me. Or high pony. Because I do plan to take these out, I kind of like try to keep the ends as like free and floppy as possible. That's what's been working for me. But let me show you guys what I've been using in my hair. This is my weekly routine. So I'm only doing this particular routine I'm about to show you once a week. 2 oils. I oil my scalp once. I don't need more than that. That's just my hair type. I particularly like this one more because it's for dry and itchy scalp care. And like I said previously, like I work out, I do a lot of running now. So my scalp can get a little itchy, but this helps a lot. And I just use a dab of this because if I don't rub it in, it will come down my face. It will get everywhere. So just a little dab of this. But before I even do that, let me rewind. I love to use this As I Am rosemary oil. I love to use this rosemary water, and it's so tingly and refreshing. This I can use. Oh my gosh. I just squirt myself in the face. That's what I get for like trying to do too much. Trying to hold the camera and do my hair. Wow. Okay. Like I was saying, I like to spray my scalp, if not daily, kind of frequently with this because this also helps alleviate itchy scalp and dryness. This is their rosemary one. They have tons of different ones of these now. I think there's like 3 of these different kinds, but so far I really like this rosemary one. It definitely helps my scalp feel better. And then after I spray it, I will follow it up with an oil if I need to, but this is usually once a week. And everybody knows this NAURAL rosemary scalp strengthening oil helps with growth and everything like that. So that's all I do. That's all I do. I don't overdo it. I don't want to make them heavy because I do plan on taking these out. If I really need it for the ends, I will add the NAURAL Daily Cream. I will say the foam is doing its thing. Like I was worried my hair wouldn't last, the ends would become unraveled, but no baby, like look at these ends. They're doing great. They're doing good. So this routine has definitely been my staple. It just kind of keeps my hair out of my face. It's been helping with the ends, and I think it's been really promoting more hair growth. I have seen a difference. So this is kind of like the routine I do when I don't have a protective style. I do plan on putting a protective style maybe next week. I gotta find time when I have time to put the protective style in, because the style in my head that I want to do, it's gonna take some time. I'll catch you guys tomorrow if I do anything different with my hair, but we're definitely gonna do something because I do have a baseball game I'm going to. So. Okay, so last night I had to put a few of the twists in rollers, and this is the effect. Just the ones that were looking a little strangly, because I do plan on maybe taking these out today. It is Friday now. There is rain in the forecast, so I don't know if I really want to take them out yet, but of course if I do, I want kind of the ends to all be cohesive. So during the week sometimes they get a little strangly, you know, and this part of my hair right by my ear is always like limp. So I wanted to just put some perm rods on it. All I did was put water on there and it curled nicely. It doesn't need any more product because of the product we put on there Sunday and Monday. So this is what it's looking like. Because I've been working out, it is getting a little, well, it is a little frizzy. So, you know, it's decent, but it definitely is gonna have to come out soon. So right now I'm about to just run some errands, so I don't need to take it out right now. I do have a baseball game later, and I might keep my hair like this and put a hat on because it's so sunny and hot outside. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair. So I'll talk to you guys later if I take these out or anything.
And you want to do everything she want to, man.
Okay, y'all, it is that time to close out this video because look at my hair. Look at my hair, y'all. It's actually not terrible the more I look in the camera and look at it, but like, it's time to wrap this up. I think I am going to just do the whole entire process over again. If not today, maybe tomorrow. I'm about to go to the gym, so this is just about to go up in a cute little pony puff situation thing. I'm just gonna put my hair up in this little situation and just call it a day. Yep. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I helped, you know, give you some tips and tricks on how to take care of your hair during the week. Definitely ready for protective style because this whole keep it on schedule and keeping her clean and healthy and all that, it's work. You know, sometimes I need a little break, So stay tuned for that protective style because I'm definitely going to come on here and record me doing it. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Give me a like if you did. Subscribe, join the family, and comment down below your routine that you follow for your natural hair. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.